Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beer foam. A beautiful, stable head of foam is more than just aesthetics. It's crucial for a great beer experience. It helps to release the beer's complex aromas and flavors, making each sip more enjoyable. Plus, a proper foam cap acts as a natural barrier, protecting your beer from quickly going flat. Let's dive into the science and techniques behind achieving that perfect pour. Achieving excellent beer foam starts with understanding its fundamental components. Proteins, primarily derived from malted barley, are the building blocks, forming the bubble walls. Hop compounds, particularly iso-alpha acids, then bind to these proteins, strengthening the foam structure and making it more resilient. And of course, carbon dioxide is the engine, creating the bubbles themselves. Without these three working in harmony, your foam will quickly dissipate. Now let's talk about the technique. First, always use a meticulously clean glass. Any residue can kill foam instantly. Hold your glass at a 45-degree angle and begin pouring the beer down the side. As the glass fills to about 2/3, gradually straighten it to a 90-degree angle. This change in angle helps to agitate the beer, encouraging the formation of a beautiful, dense head, typically about 1 to 2 fingers thick. To maintain that lovely foam, keep your glass away from anything oily like lip balm or food residue, as fats are foam's worst enemy. Serving temperature also plays a role. Very cold beer can inhibit foam formation. If you consistently struggle, check your beer's carbonation levels. Insufficient carbon dioxide means fewer bubbles. Always ensure your glassware is not just clean, but also free of any soap film, which can also destroy foam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.